I think we're going to entitle this one Things Beekeepers Have to Deal With.
You don't get much closer. You sprayed the ground, you'll smell it for the week.
Oh, good God, I did. I'm going to move upwind.
I'm not even sure that'll help.
Shoo, let Lord know, it ain't helping.
Yeah. A real stinker.
How the heck are you standing it right on top of it?
Well, I got sprayed in the face a few days ago, so I'm almost immune. Actually, right in the eye.
Sprayed in the face.
Yeah, right in the eye.
You ain't getting in the cab of the truck with me to take trash off. If you're still smelling like that.
Take mine. Yeah, I was standing right here, and I had one in that trap, and I reached over and grabbed a rock, and then I watched it. He turned around, done a handstand, and swung it over his shoulder to me over here, like I got hit right here. I didn't know they could do that. I only thought they shot backwards, but apparently they can shoot it at a 45-degree angle in front of them. Yeah. This is number 5.
Good Lord. And
Five, yeah.
so you guys get the idea, right over there is these bees.
Yeah, 5.
Good Lord.
Yeah, 5 skunks here on the skunk ranch.
Let me get back up here upwind. Whew.
Yeah, for some reason this one didn't die. I had to actually shoot him. I've never had that happen before. So I'm really curious of why it didn't kill him. Because normally, you know, they kill them and they don't even spray. It happens too fast. Yeah, I'm sure everything that way has been sprayed, without a doubt. I was wondering if there's something going on with this. So I've caught black ones, and I've caught ones with white stripe, and the black ones seem to be smaller. So I'm wondering if it's a female, male kind of thing. But I didn't check any of the plumbing.
Lord, you folks better be glad there's not smell-o-vision.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, no, it's rough, man. It is rough. Yeah, this trap right here is not working right, Jeff.
And we're good enough to kill that one.
Well,
Or
like I said,
catch it.
It did. Yeah, it didn't kill it. It just. I mean, it was probably going to eventually. But when I come out here, he was struggling. So I went in the house and got the pistol. And apparently, if you shoot them in the heart, you got a 50-50 shot whether or not they let it all go. If you shoot them in the head, both barrels wide open, letting it all go. Yeah, bad idea. Bad idea. Don't shoot the skunk in the head. No, no. Yeah, they'd probably have a better idea of drowning him. You might have a chance that way. This is, I don't want to touch this trap no more.
Well, aren't you going to reset it and try to catch some more?
Yeah. And just the more I touch it, the more it's getting on me. And then, yeah, she found a recipe on the internet. 1 part peroxide, 1 part baking soda, and a splash of Dawn dish soap. It took the smell off. But where I got hit in the face, I was breathing it, and it was inside. I was breathing on the inside, so
Phew.
unless I wasn't breathing, I was fine. I'm pretty sure after climbing in bed with her, that's what she was hoping for. I'd stop breathing.
I would have been sleeping in the other end of the house if it had been me.
Yeah, no, yeah. It was bad, it was bad.
Well, now you know what my neighbor's dog feels like, because he got one and it sprayed the inside of its mouth, and that dog mouth smelled like skunk for 2 weeks.
Yeah, probably couldn't get rid of it.
Oh, geez, the wind just changed.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I feel sorry for whoever moves in here, because that one there sprayed the air conditioning units just, or the air units running, you know, wide open. You know, maybe don't circulate it as much in the winter time.
Well, there you have it, folks. The half-naked beekeeper, all fully clothed, dealing with skunks.